Hello everyone! In today's video, we'll gently guide you through setting up a Binance account on your phone and explain how futures trading works. I'll move at a relaxed pace so even complete beginners can follow without stress. Let's start by going through the Binance account sign-up process. Before moving ahead, please check that the Binance app is already installed on your phone. Once the app is installed, open Binance on your device. On the first screen, tap the Sign Up button to begin. You can register either with your email address or with your mobile phone number. Near the bottom, tick the box to agree to the terms and conditions. After that, tap Continue to move forward. Binance will send a verification code to the contact method you chose. When the code arrives, enter it into the verification box on the screen. Next, you'll be prompted to create a password for your account. Please set it to at least 8 characters, including uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers. Once the password is set, you'll reach the Invite a confirmation page. At this step, make sure to choose Yes when asked. After selecting Yes, a field for entering a referral code will appear. In that box, enter the referral code SKY333. Using this referral code provides a 20% discount on trading fees along with extra rewards. That's why it's important to enter the referral code before finishing registration. Now, let's move on to the identity verification process. To access deposits, trading, and withdrawals, verification is required on Binance. Begin by selecting your nationality from the list. Then, decide which type of identification document you want to use. You'll be shown several document options on the screen. Among these, most users choose to use a passport. When you're ready, tap Take Pictures to proceed. Align your passport within the frame and take a clear photo of the information page. After that, continue to the facial verification step. Carefully follow the instructions shown on the screen. Complete each action exactly as instructed. When everything is done, your verification request will be submitted for review. In most cases, the review process takes about 1 hour. Once approved, your account will show a verified status. Next, we'll set up Google Authenticator to strengthen account security. Return to the main home screen of the app. Tap the Binance logo in the top left corner. Then, tap the arrow icon located in the top right area. From the menu, go into the Security section. Choose Authenticator app from the available options. Tap Enable to start the setup. Enter the authentication code that was sent to your email or phone. You'll now see the Authenticator configuration screen. On this screen, copy the 16-digit setup key shown. Next, please install the Google Authenticator app on your phone. After opening the app, tap the plus icon in the bottom right corner. Select the option labeled Enter a Setup Key. For the account name, type in Binance. In the key field, paste the 16-digit code you copied earlier. Then tap Add to save the setup. A 6-digit authentication code will now be generated. Copy this code, and head back to the Binance app. Enter the code into the Authenticator app code field. Once confirmed, the Google Authenticator setup is complete. To access futures trading, you need to switch to Pro mode. Return to the home screen one more time. Tap the Binance logo in the upper left corner again. If you see Binance Pro, tap it to enable Pro mode. Secondly, let's go over how to add funds using peer-to-peer trading. Tap Assets in the bottom right corner of the screen. The Futures wallet is dedicated only to futures trading. The Spot wallet is where your main balance is stored and traded. Start by choosing Spot, then tap Add Funds. On this page, several funding options will appear. For this tutorial, we'll use the peer-to-peer deposit option. Tap the icon located in the upper right corner. Select the currency you'll be paying with. Next, choose the cryptocurrency you want to purchase. In most situations, USDT is the standard option. Now, tap this button. Type in the amount of cryptocurrency you want to trade. Please tap this button to select a payment method. Choose one option from the list below. A list of available sellers will now appear. It's safest to pick sellers with high ratings and strong trade records. Choose one seller from the list. Then tap Buy. Some sellers may ask for additional verification. Enter the amount you plan to purchase. Before continuing, carefully check the seller's details. If everything looks good, tap Place Order. After the order is placed, the seller's bank details will be shown. Before making the payment, open the chat and read the instructions carefully. When sending money, double-check that the account name and number match. Now, complete the transfer using your selected payment method. After the payment is completed, tap Upload Payment Proof. Attach at least one screenshot or receipt as evidence. Once uploaded, tick the confirmation box at the bottom. Then tap Transferred and choose Notify Seller to alert them. The USDT will be released shortly and credited to your spot wallet. Finally, I'll guide you step by step through trading on Binance Futures. Before placing any futures trades, you'll first need to transfer funds from your spot wallet into your futures wallet. Begin by opening your spot wallet. From there, tap on Transfer. Set the transfer direction to move funds from spot wallet to USD and futures. Select the asset you want to transfer, and type in the amount you wish to send. After a brief delay, the transferred funds will show up in your futures wallet. To access the futures trading screen, tap Futures in the bottom right corner. The futures trading page will then appear. At the top left, tap the trading pair area to choose a market. For this demonstration, I'll select BTC USDT. Now, let's take a look at the margin mode settings. In cross mode, all available balance is shared across positions. In isolated mode, only the selected position uses the assigned margin. For beginners, isolated mode is usually the safer choice. Next, adjust your leverage level. Binance supports leverage of up to 150x. Higher leverage can amplify profits, but it also greatly increases potential losses. If you're new to futures trading, starting with lower leverage is generally recommended. Now, choose the direction of your trade. If you think the price will rise, tap Buy. If you expect the price to drop, tap Sell. Here, you can check how much margin you have available. Just below, tap to pick your order type. You can select either a limit order or a market order. Enter both the price and the size of your order. If you're trading for a price increase, tap Buy Long. If you're trading for a price decrease, tap Sell Short. To keep track of your trade, look at the Open Positions section at the bottom. ROI shows your current profit or loss percentage. Entry price displays the average price of your entry. Mark price shows the current reference market price. Liquidation price tells you where the position would be forced closed. To control risk, tap TPSL to set take profit and stop loss orders. When you decide to exit the position, tap Close. Choose whether to close at the market price, or to close using a limit price. Input the closing price and amount. Then tap Confirm. Once the confirmation goes through, the position will be completely closed. In this video, I walked you through creating a Binance account on your phone and showed how to use both peer-to-peer trading and futures trading. Each part was broken down step by step so it stayed simple and easy to understand. If you have any questions, or if something didn't make sense, please leave a comment below. I'll try to check and reply as soon as I can. Thank you very much for staying with me until the very end.